Did you know that Instagram influencers are expected to generate over $13 billion in revenue by 2025? That's right, $13 billion. With such staggering numbers, it's clear that Instagram isn't just a social media platform. It's a goldmine for those who know how to use it. Welcome back to Money Basket. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics in the online money-making world: how to make money on Instagram. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your Instagram game to the next level, this video is for you. Instagram has grown exponentially over the years, and with more features being added all the time, the potential for growth and profit on the platform is massive. But let's be real, the market is saturated. With millions of influencers and brands competing for attention, standing out can be tough. The question is, how do you carve first? Let's talk about finding your niche. The more specific you are, the better. Are you into fitness, fashion, travel, or maybe a combination? Whatever it is, make sure it's something you're passionate about, because that passion will translate into your content. Next, content is king. You need to create engaging, high-quality posts that resonate with your audience. Use Instagram's tools like Stories, Reels, and IGTV to keep your content fresh and varied. Finally, building a loyal audience is key. Engage with your followers, reply to comments, and create a community around your brand. The stronger your connection with your audience, the easier it will be to monetize your account, whether through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or your own products out your own space and make a sustainable income on Instagram. It's not just about pretty pictures anymore. It's about strategy, consistency, and knowing your audience inside and out. Let's look at some real-life success stories. Take Cara Brulhart, a well-known influencer, effectively used Instagram Reels to increase her following in 6 months. Cara, a social media expert, used Reels to boost her Instagram presence dramatically. Her plan included frequently uploading Reels with value-packed information about Instagram development ideas, mindset guidance for entrepreneurs, and insights into her business. She was able to grow her Instagram followers from $0 to $45,000 in a surprisingly short amount of time by sticking to a consistent posting schedule and focusing on brief, engaging posts. Cara's development was further aided by her ability to captivate viewers within the first few seconds of her Reels, ensuring their continued engagement. This tactic not only increased her following, but also resulted in significant brand partnerships. Or Christine Tran Ferguson, another Instagram influencer who has experienced remarkable development thanks to Reels. Christine, a lifestyle influencer, began utilizing Reels on a regular basis after her follower count stagnated. After adding Reels into her content approach, she quickly attracted almost 40,000 new followers. This surge in interaction and followers dramatically increased her visibility, resulting in more profitable brand collaborations. These influencers didn't just follow the crowd. They used the latest features and trends to their advantage and saw massive returns. So, to wrap it up, finding your niche, creating engaging content, and building a loyal audience are your keys to success on Instagram. But don't forget the importance of consistency, authenticity, and staying ahead of the curve with new features and trends. As we move into 2025, these strategies will be more important than ever if you want to grow your Instagram revenue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Basket for more tips on how to grow your online income. I'd love to hear your own success stories or challenges in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together.